Greetings to everyone on my channel. Today we really have something special. We are immersed in the history of one of the most iconic aircraft in the world of aviation, the Airbus A380. This giant, the largest passenger airliner in history, has changed the perception of long-haul flights. From ambitious plans to legendary flight in the air, the A380 has become a true symbol of engineering excellence and luxury. Stay with us until the end to find out about all the most interesting details, as well as why his future remains in question. The birth of an idea. The early 90s. It all started in 1988, when Airbus decided to challenge Boeing 747, the monopolist of long-haul routes. The main goal of the company was to create a larger and more spacious aircraft that could carry more passengers and be an ideal choice for busy hubs such as London, Dubai, or Singapore. The prospects were ambitious. Airbus planned to make an aircraft that would save fuel, reduce emissions, and reduce airline operating costs. The development of the Airbus A380 began in the 1990s, and by 2000 the project had already acquired clear contours. It was a technically difficult and expensive enterprise, but Airbus did not back down from the difficulties. In 2005, the A380 took to the air for the first time, and this event marked a new era in aviation. First flight and debut. The first flight took place on April 27, 2005 from Toulouse, France. The tests were successful, and Airbus began preparing for commercial flights. In 2007, Singapore Airlines became the first company to accept the A380 into its fleet, and on October 25 of the same year, the first commercial flight was performed from Singapore to Sydney. From the very beginning, the A380 impressed not only with its size, but also with its comfort. Its double-deck design could accommodate up to 853 passengers in a single-class configuration, but most airlines preferred more comfortable configurations with 500 to 600 seats, including business class and suites. This plane was synonymous with luxury in the air. Innovations that the Airbus A380 is proud of. When we talk about innovations, the A380 was indeed a pioneer in its class. Firstly, it is the largest passenger aircraft in the world, with a length of 72.7 meters, a wingspan of 79.75 meters and a maximum takeoff weight of 1.2 million pounds, about 560 tons. This giant is capable of transporting passengers up to 200 kilometers without refueling. In addition, the A380 was equipped with an innovative noise reduction system, which made it one of the quietest in its class. Its four Rolls-Royce Trent 900 or Engine Alliance GP 7200 engines provided not only power, but also efficiency. Special aerodynamic solutions have significantly reduced air resistance and increased fuel efficiency. The aircraft was designed with maximum payload and durability in mind, which has become an important factor for airlines focused on long-haul flights with maximum load. Luxury salons and a new era of comfort. One of the most important features of the A380 is its spacious interior. Unlike the cramped cabins of other aircraft, the A380 offered unique passenger comfort. Some airlines, such as Emirates, have gone even further and turned this aircraft into a real five-star air hotel space. The first-class cabins included private cabins, showers, as well as a bar and lounge areas. If you've ever flown an A380, you probably remember how comfortable space feels. The height of the cabin on the upper deck is 2.4 meters, which creates a feeling of spaciousness that is unusual for other aircraft. Problems on the way, production difficulties and market realities. Despite all the technological advances, the development of the A380 has faced many challenges. Firstly, the cost of its creation turned out to be higher than expected, more than 25 billion euros. Secondly, despite the positive feedback from passengers, many airlines began to realize that they would not be able to fully load such a huge aircraft, which made operation less profitable. Production was delayed, orders were reduced, and Airbus was faced with the reality that the market was changing. Airlines have begun to favor more compact and fuel-efficient aircraft such as the Boeing 787 and Airbus A350, which can fly long distances at lower cost. The economic situation and the decline of the Airbus A380 in 2019, Airbus decided to stop production of the A380 by 2021 due to insufficient demand. The last customer, Emirates, reduced its orders, and the company realized that the era of giant airliners was coming to an end. The world of aviation is increasingly turning towards smaller and more fuel-efficient aircraft. Let's stop for a second. If you like what you hear and want to know even more about such incredible stories, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. I really appreciate your support. Impact on the aviation industry. Despite the economic difficulties, the A380 has left an indelible mark on aviation history. He became a symbol of technological progress and demonstrated that the limits of what is possible in aviation can be significantly expanded. This aircraft has also changed the expectations of passengers in terms of comfort and quality of service. Thanks to him, business class and first class became even more luxurious, and economy class passengers were able to enjoy flights with increased space. For airlines such as Emirates, the A380 has become the centerpiece of their fleet, and over the years it has helped strengthen the company's reputation as one of the leaders in long-haul transportation. Specifications and technical specifications. Length, 72. 7 m. Wingspan, 79. 75 m. Maximum takeoff weight, 560 tons. Flight range, up to 200 kilometers. Number of passengers, from 555 in standard configuration to 853 in single-class layout. Engines, Rolls-Royce Trent 900 or Engine Alliance GP 7200. Speed, cruising speed is about 900 km per hour. These parameters not only make the Airbus A380 the largest airliner in the world, but also demonstrate its capabilities for transporting a large number of passengers over extremely long distances. The value of the A380 for aviation. The Airbus A380 will remain an important milestone in aviation history. He opened up new horizons and showed that traveling can be not only fast, but also comfortable. This aircraft has become what unites airlines, engineers, and passengers in pursuit of new flight standards. Unfortunately, its production has stopped, but the legend of it will live on. Airbus has proven to the whole world that it can create something truly unique, and it is such projects that inspire the future generation of engineers and aircraft manufacturers. Conclusion. This is the end of our journey through the history of the Airbus A380. I hope you enjoyed this review and were able to learn something new about the largest passenger airliner in history. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave your comments and share this video with your friends. The Airbus A380 was and will remain a symbol of the era, and its contribution to aviation cannot be overestimated.